In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a poll in Slack. Slack is a great tool for team communication, and adding polls can make it even more interactive and efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, be sure to log into your Slack workspace. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the option labeled Google on your workspace interface. Clicking on this will direct Slack to authenticate your credentials through Google, an essential step if your Slack is linked to your Google account for quick sign-ins and secure access. Following this, a list of Google accounts may appear, allowing you to choose the one that's linked to your Slack. Make a selection to move forward. You'll then see a Continue prompt on your screen. Simply click it to finalize your login process and get redirected back to Slack, where you can now engage the platform in your browser directly. Before you proceed any further, it is essential to ensure that you have a polling app installed. Popular choices include Poly, but if you haven't installed one yet, go to More, then select Apps. This will open up a directory where you can find and install a polling application of your choice. Once you have successfully logged in, find your workspace on Slack and type "Ya poll" into the message field. As you enter this command, you're now ready to create a poll. You will notice an option prompting you to create a poly, or a similar option based on the app you've installed. Clicking on this will launch a setup screen for your poll. Quite straightforward from here, you'll need to select the type of poll you wish to create. Whether you want a single choice, multiple choice, or another variant, make the selection that best fits your needs. After that, it's time to type in your poll question. This should be clear and concise to ensure your team members know exactly what feedback or decision you're gathering. Once your question is crafted, you'll see an option to send poly, or a similar option according to the application you are using. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click to send it out. Finally, once your poll has been sent out and you've gathered the responses you need, you can close out this process by clicking on Done. This not only concludes the poll creation process, but also confirms you've officially shared the poll with your team in Slack seamlessly. So there you have it, an easy guide to creating and sharing a poll in Slack using a polling app. This feature can greatly enhance decision-making processes within your team, making it simpler to collect thoughts and preferences in a streamlined manner. Happy polling!